So we came out to Reflection Lake hoping to get a good picture since the sun's shining today, but the lake is mostly frozen, so I don't think we'll be getting much reflection pictures. But the mountain's gorgeous with its fresh snow. The original plan was to start at Narada Falls and do a loop up to Paradise and up around a little bit higher and back down, but the snow is so deep on the trails and the going is so slow that that's not going to happen. So we came out to Reflection Lakes, and then I might walk up a little further to another waterfall before I turn back around. But walking in ankle and shin deep snow is exhausting and slow going. But I'm glad we made it to the lake. It's really cool that it's partially frozen. I'll walk down a little bit more so you can see the ice on it a little bit better. Oh God. See, there went my whole foot. Steep. Swing it down here. He's pretty far off, but there's a blue heron out there walking on the ice. That's pretty cool. You cannot ask for a more beautiful place to live and be able to go hike and run. I absolutely love the mountains. The different view of Narada Falls. I've never seen it from here. That's hilarious because it's overlooking the parking lot and you can see my car. My car is right there. She's waiting for me down there. Love my car. Oh, that's cool. Absolutely gorgeous day today. The sun is nice and warm. It's shining good. This is Ruby Falls. See the icicles right there on that rock. Man, this waterfall's loud. This is the lower portion of Ruby Falls. Okay, we got Sam and Becca here in spirit, enjoying the view at Narada Falls. Oh, there we got a little camprobber just flew in. Yeah. Hiding behind my trekking poles there. There he goes. She's a lot prettier with the sun shining on her for sure. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little rainbow right there. Well, hike's over. We saw Narada Falls, we went up to Reflection Lake and Ruby Falls. It was kind of a short one today, just over 3.5 miles, but it was totally worth it. It's absolutely beautiful. It was really cool seeing Reflection Lake mostly covered in ice. That was really neat.
The trail, the snow is so deep. So I'm glad I got this one done with as much snow as on the trail. I would have been lost without my micro spikes. So thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoy the waterfalls.